Hi, sixth graders from Miss McGinnis's awesome English classes. It's Miss Wagner here. I cannot come into your classroom today to talk about your books, but I decided to make a quick video in the back room of the library. So I'm going to show you guys today 2 ways that you can find biography books for your book reports this month. One is in the library, and the second way is there's actually a lot of online books in Mac and Via. So I'm going to show you all of those ways. So this is in the library on the far left. No, that way. On the far left here is the picture of the section of biography. You can see we actually have a lot of books. However, Miss McGinnis has a lot of classes, and some of the books are outdated, if I'm being honest. So you're going to find some new books in there of people, but some oldies but goodies as well. When you get to the biography section in the library, you will find stickers. These are the other 2 pictures on the screen right now. You will find stickers on all the shelves. Like the example in the middle says, ordinary people doing extraordinary things. When you get to that section, it is organized by the person's last name. There's a section that you can see on the right-hand side. It says actors and actresses. There's a section for just hockey. There's a section for, world leaders. So you can look at the sections and decide where you want to look there as well. And as usual, there will be people in the library, Miss McGinnis and myself, to help you find books if you're looking for a specific person. But we might not have the person that you're looking for, so I'm going to show you the other place that you can go. So the other place that you may go, let's see, exit, is we're going to go into Clever. Good old Clever holds a lot of the things that we need at school. When you get into Clever, we're going to go down to our online books. And I know a lot of you don't use these anymore now that we're not in distance learning, but there still are so many good books in there. And this is called Mac and Via. So I'm going to click on Mac and Via. And then they're going to ask you to log in. If you've already logged in before, your information will probably be already on there like mine. Okay, so when you log into Mac and Via, you can go to Categories on the left-hand side here. And then right at the top, it says Biographies, and it says it has 204 books. So if I click on the biographies, you're going to see books like this one. The gymnast, she is more current. I don't know if we have a book in our library, so this is why you might want to look at Mac and Via. You might see books that are of interest of you. Also, if you are looking for a specific person, let's say you're looking for, Barack Obama, even though we do have quite a few books. Let's just see if they have any. You can type in the person's name. Here's an audio book. You can see it's an audio because it has the headphones. Oh, there's a book about Michelle Obama. Okay, so really they don't have a ton on Barack Obama, but again, if you're looking for a specific person, you can type it in at the top. Once you find a book that you want on here, I would click on checkout. Why? Because that means you have that book. And if somebody else tries to read it and you haven't checked it out, you might not be able to see it anymore. So once you've decided, I like that book, you click on check out. Okay? So again, 2 ways to find biographies for your book reports. One is in our library, in the section that looks like biography. Okay? And the last way is to look at books online at Mac and Via. If you ever need help, come see me. If you want help looking for a certain person, I can help locate that person as well. All right, you guys, have a great day.